Okay, so can you actually make money by using videos from other people on YouTube? That is the question that you're here for. And in today's video, I'm going to explain whether that is actually possible or not possible at all. So if you're interested in that, guys, keep watching and then let's just dive in. Okay, so using people's videos on YouTube theoretically is possible. However, can you make money with that? Yes and no. It is actually not as simple as black and white. There's kind of like a gray area, and in today's video I want to go into that and explain why it's either possible or not possible. It kind of depends on the expectation that you've got when I say using other people's videos. For example, here I am on YouTube, right? I'm on YouTube. I just typed in football. Now you might be wondering, if I just click right here on filters and then go to features and then Creative Commons, I can then use all of these videos on my channel. I can use this video, I can download this and use it, I can go with this video, you know. That is probably what you're thinking, or at least what a lot of people put out there. As in, if you use Creative Commons within any niche, you can pretty much download the videos and use them on your own channel. Well, in theory, yes, that is possible, but it works very, very different in reality. So first thing, if I type in football and I go Creative Commons, all of this footage right there is not even owned by that channel. These are just football clips from probably like the UEFA or FIFA or whatever, like the major big companies that have the rights to broadcast these clips, like the games pretty much in this case. So this is not Creative Commons. I am not allowed to reuse all of these clips on YouTube and just upload them myself. That is totally not allowed. And it's the case for most of these videos. So most of these videos are just recycled videos and then just uploaded as Creative Commons. But you've got no idea if the person that originally created that video has actually uploaded it as Creative Commons. First of all, if you're new to Creative Commons, let me quickly show you how that works. So Creative Commons licenses give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons license. For example, if I actually upload this video as Creative Commons, that would imply that you can actually use this video. However, if you've marked your video with a Creative Commons license, you retain your copyright. Other creators get to reuse your work subject to the terms of the license. And that's the key, to the terms of the license. So if I upload this video as Creative Commons, can you actually make money by re-uploading this exact same video? Not changing anything, you just download the video and you upload that. Will you get monetized? Can you make money? The answer for that is no. The reason for that is because even though I upload it as Creative Commons, it is not as simple as just uploading them to your own channel the exact same way. No, Creative Commons allows you to use the work, so to use the video on YouTube, but not the entire video and just copy and upload it on your own channel. No, you can use clips from that video. You can use the video in your own video. You can create a different video out of that video, but you cannot just simply copy and paste it. That is not going to work if you want to get monetized on YouTube, because what that would mean essentially, if that would be possible, is that I can simply find a channel that uploads all their videos as Creative Commons. I can download all of their videos and just start my own channel with all of their videos. So we just get two of the same channels, both monetized. That is not the case. However, what that means is that you can use these clips and create a new video out of those videos, if that makes sense. So you can take 20 seconds of this clip to add your commentary on it, to put it in a different context, stuff like that. And that is the case with normal videos as well. And that falls under the fair use one. So fair use on YouTube, this is very interesting as well. So fair use is a legal doctrine that says you can reuse copyright protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. So for example, if you download my video right now and you take the fact that, you take the part where I just said that you can use this part with fair use, stuff like that, you use a 5-second clip from my video in your video, providing different context, commentary, transforming the video. As long as it like transformative content, you will be fine and you can monetize that same video. However, once again, if you're just trying to figure out if you can monetize other people's videos in terms of, okay, I'm gonna go to YouTube. Let me type in a vlog right now. I'm just gonna do this at random. A vlog, and then go to filters, or then go to Creative Commons, or just download any video on there and just re-upload this. No, that is actually not possible because YouTube will know. For example, I can go into my backend. So this is my YouTube studio. I can go to copyright and I'll see all of these people that just downloaded my video and then re-uploaded them. So you can see this guy, 2020, 2019. So this was actually a collaboration. This was my old channel actually. But you can see 2017, 2019, all of these people, 100% of their video. So this right there is my video, which matches 100% with their video. And YouTube has systems in place where they can figure out whether this is actually happening. So if you download a video on YouTube, for example, I download this and then I upload that, not gonna work. They'll know. So if I then go ahead and apply for the YouTube monetization program, of course, I'm not gonna get accepted into it because YouTube knows I'm just stealing content. I'm just copying it and then re-uploading it. So that is not gonna work. So yeah, in short guys, there's gonna be a short video. Can you make money with other people's videos? Yes and no. Can you simply re-upload them after you downloaded the exact same video? No, probably not. Definitely not, I would say. Can you use small clips from other people's content and put that in your own video and create different context, add a commentary, make it transformative? Yes, then you definitely can, and you won't get in trouble with that as it's fair use. And even if you use Creative Commons, once again, I don't recommend doing that in 2021 because there are so many recycled videos. If I upload this with a normal license, you download this video, you re-upload it as Creative Commons, people might think it's Creative Commons even though I uploaded it with the normal license. So yeah, that is pretty much that guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.